let's have the quotient rule. So if f of x and g of x are both differentiable functions at x with g of x is not equal to 0, then we have this formula. So let's say, for instance, our f of x is our numerator and our g of x is our denominator. Okay, so in order to get the derivative, ang gagawin natin, ibig sabihin lang yan, we're going to have the denominator, so that is the g of x, times the derivative of the numerator, so that is our f of x, minus the numerator, and we multiply this by the derivative of the denominator all over the square of the denominator. Or, pwede natin sabihin na we can use actually yung tinatawag natin duv. Okay? So, if this is duv, magiging, ang formula natin would become d of u over v. Again, yung u natin, that is our numerator or yung ating first function, and yung v naman, that is our denominator or yung ating second function. So, by doing so, we will have v du minus u dv all over v squared. So, kung isipin, mas madali siyang tandaan, no? Mas madali siyang i-memorize kung gusto nyo i-memorize. Ayan. So, basically, ang kailangan natin dito ay ma-familiarize natin ang ating sarili sa ating pong formula. Para kapag nag-solve tayo, nakita natin na, oops, ito ay fraction, so kailangan i-derive ang fraction, automatic dapat ito na po yung ating pong tatandaan. Now, let's have an example for us to better understand this quotient rule. Okay. Find the derivative of the function f of x equals 3x squared plus 4 all over 5x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, so first, para hindi tayo mahirapan, identify na natin ang ating u. So, ang ating u dito ay yung ating numerator. So, we have 3x squared plus 4. And then yung ating v naman is our denominator, which is 5x squared minus 3x plus 2. Alright, so now we will get the derivative of our u. So this is 3 times 2, that is a 6x. Okay, so pag nakakita kayo ng power rule or concept multiple rule yung gagamitin, mas maigi na ang gawin nyo lang, i-multiply nyo lang agad yung base at saka yung power para at least mabilis lang. No? So parang ito dito, 3x squared. So gawin nyo, 3 times 2, that is a 6. Then, copy yung x, and then bawasan nyo lang ng isa itong inyong power. Kaya naging 6x. And then ito, automatic po, magiging 0 na yan kasi nga po, yan ay constant. Now, let's have our dv. We have, in this case, we have 5 times 2, that is 10, x. So, isa na lang maiiwan, din na natin kailangan isulat yun. Minus, so in this case, yung ating ano po ay x, which is magiging 1, kaya magiging minus 3 na lang. And then, 0 na itong plus 2, kaya 10x minus 3 na lang yung ating dv. Now, we will just input or we will just substitute these values in our formula. So, as you can see, we have this formula. So, substitute lang natin. So, we have our v. Our v is 5x squared minus 3x plus 2. Then, times natin sa du, which is a 6x. Since ang ating pong function or ang ating expression ay tatlong terms, kailangan natin ilagay sa quantity. So, we have 6x minus our u, which is 3x squared plus 4. Then our dv is 10x minus 3. Okay? Every time makakakuha kayo ng expression na binomial o kaya naman trinomial, so maraming terms, kailangan nating ilagay sa quantity or parentheses. Pero kapag isang term lang, kahit hindi na po natin ilagay doon. Okay, so all over v squared. So our v is 5x squared minus 3x plus 2. Then square lang daw natin to. Alright. So now let's compute. We have i-distribute natin itong 6x dito po sa terms sa loob ng ating parenthesis. So we have 6x times 5x squared. So 6 times 5, that is 30. And then yung ating x, this is 2 and this is 1. So we have x cubed. Kasi 2 plus 1 is 3. Then minus 6x times 3x, that is 6 times 3, 18. And then we have, syempre we have 2x, so we have x squared plus 6x times 2, that is 12x minus, okay, in this case, meron tayong dalawang binomial. So, pwede nyo gamitin yung for method. Yan. And gagamitin ko naman yung akin pong yung traditional way of multiplication. So, for instance, meron tayong 3x squared plus 4 times 10x minus 3. So, 10x times 3x squared, that would become 30x cubed plus 10x times 4, that is 40x. And negative 3 times 3x squared, that is negative 9x cubed. And negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Okay? So, ibig sabihin na magiging sagot niyan ay, syempre, unahin natin yung meron pong, no, this is not x cubed, 9x cubed, this would be 9x squared. Okay. Okay, so pag sinulat natin dito, unahin natin yung ating pong power, yung third meron pong highest power. So we have 30x cubed minus 9x squared plus 40x then minus 12. Ito natin ilagay. Alright, all over 5 quantity 5x squared minus 3x plus 2 squared. Okay. Now, ang next natin gagawin dito ay kailangan nating i-combine yung magkakaparehang term. So, pag sabi kong magkakaparehang term, that means yung kanyang variable and exponent or yung tinatawag nating degree ay pare-pareho. So, yun lang yung combine natin. In this case, we have 30x cubed minus 30x cubed. Okay, oops, nakalimutan po natin itong okay, mapapas natin itong minus to. So, dapat magbabago, mag-change po tayo ng sign. Kasi ito po ay minus, no? So, mag-change po tayo ng sign dito. Kaya magiging, instead na minus to, magiging plus. Oh, sorry. So, ayan. Kailangan natin i-change yung sign nung nasa loob.